Given two strings, write a method to decide if one is a permutation of the other. This function will be case sensitive and white space will be significant. When comparing two strings, we know if they are different lengths, then they cannot be anagrams of each other. If two strings are anagrams of each other or permutations of each other, then when sorted, both strings should be the same string. Here's our method checking if one string is a permutation of another string. We pass in both strings. Then we compare the length of both strings. If they are not the same, then they are not permutations of each other. Otherwise, we can move on to sorting both strings. We can use the sort method in C++ and pass in the beginning iterator and the end iterator. To use this, include algorithm. Then we can simply compare the two strings and return true if they're equal and false if they're not. For example, T is an anagram of eat. So let's pass in those two strings and see what happens. As you can see, both strings are AET once sorted, so they are the same and will return true. Here we added two spaces to each array, and so both are still the same string once sorted and return true. If we capitalize the T in T, then both strings are not the same and we return 0, false.